JC here at headquarters. If you want to keep your hands warm while you ride your motorcycle, watch this video. Today we've got Jeff from Venture Heat to tell you about the battery-powered Venture heated gloves.
Thank you, Clint. Yes, we have this in addition to our 12-volt line. We do develop a battery power that's rechargeable and is used more for smaller bike applications, scooters, dirt bikes, two strokes, things like that, or somebody who's using wanting to have something to walk around once they actually get off the motorcycle. So the longevity isn't quite there. It's about two and a half hours compared to a plug-in system running off the motorcycle, but you do get full heat throughout your fingertips. You get the same waterproof controller and construction throughout the glove, and then you also have the touch screen for a phone or a tablet that you would get on our other gloves as well.
Jeff, now these are battery-powered gloves, and you talk about another type of glove that would be plugged into your motorcycle. That's a 12-volt glove, correct?
Correct. This is 7.4 volts is how it's rated. But we find that to do this, that is because it's a fully self-contained system. It's a little smaller package for the heat arrays themselves. The heating elements themselves are smaller, and they don't go throughout the package of the whole glove like they do on a 12-volt. And they take a little bit longer to warm up, just for the fact that you don't want to drain the battery so quickly. So we try to extend the life as long as possible.
Okay, so if I purchase these gloves, what else do I need to buy? Does it have the batteries? Does it have any additional accessories that I need to buy? Or
everything comes ready to go in the package, just like our 12-volt line. It comes with two batteries, one for each glove, and a wall charger. A lot of people will actually buy an additional battery if they want and have them charging and swap them out as needed, kind of like you do with your power drill. But we do put everything included, and it's ready to go. You get the package, charge them up. There's an indicator on the wall unit, tells you when the battery's ready to go, and you plug it into the glove right here in the pocket, and you're all set.
Could you show me how the glove operates?
Absolutely. You'll see that it's already on with the red light indicator. It's a simple process where you actually hold the button down. That turns the glove off. Hold it back again, turns it on. That's the high setting, so that's good for about 2 hours. 2.5, depending on outside, a lot of variables. Outside temperature itself changes the way battery's longevity is. The colder it is, the shorter the battery life. So if it's 12 below, it's about a 30% reduction in battery longevity. You'll touch it again, that gives you an intermediate. You'll see the amber light comes on. That's your medium setting. You touch it again, it's now green, which is your low setting. So that's the lowest setting. What a lot of people will do is they'll find that the high setting comes back around. They'll leave it on for a little bit, get their hands warmed, and once they start moving or doing something, if they're skiing or they're active, they're generating enough heat, they shut it off, wait till they go back to the lift or they stop moving, get back on the ATV or the side-by-side, and then go back and switch it back on.
So Jeff, when the battery does wear out, does the glove shut off completely all of a sudden, or does it just get slowly colder?
It reaches a certain threshold because we use a digital controller, and once the level is hit, it shuts off.
So how long do we charge that battery?
Depends on the outside conditions, the life of the battery. Most of the time, it's about 40 minutes.
Okay. So what if I get this glove soaking wet?
You're not going to feel it on the inside. It's a waterproof membrane inside. It's thin-silicate lined also, so you're going to stay warm, and you're not going to feel any electrical charge or anything because it's a fully enclosed system that's waterproof.
Okay, so my fingers get cold, but mostly they get cold right on the tips. How does this glove do for heating the actual, the furthest part of the extremities?
We actually build the heat array around each finger individually like this, and it comes through and then back and around. So from the thumb all the way to the other side of the glove, you get a full heat around here and then across the top. We don't put anything in here because this is where you're going to be gripping a handlebar or a tool or an implement. You don't want to have those heat elements right against you. There's a little bit of padding in there because this is a lower wattage than the 12 volt. So it really is a nice piece for somebody who's looking for something that is a supplemental heat, not a core heat.
Okay, great. We're using our infrared camera to show you the Venture Heat battery-operated glove. Jeff, thanks for all the information. As usual, we welcome all your questions. You can call us at 800-706-9476 or go to jcmotors.com, get live support, and you'll find out why JC Motors is where riders get deals.